Hi, good day. This is Alex, the Woodworking Dude, and I have another unboxing for y'all guys. It's a SKIL 5-inch random Orbital Sander. I got this at a slight discount because this was the last item on the shelf. The reason for purchasing this particular sander, I'm going to use this as a polisher to polish a couple of doors because my buffing machine is down. I have a variable speed sander and a variable speed polishing machine, and both have problems. One, the coils are burnt out, and the next one, the gears are completely burnt. So I will plan to use this temporary as a polishing machine. So let's get to the unboxing. So this already has been opened in the store, obviously, to check to see if all the items is here. So here you have the lengthy instructions in different the lengthy instruction manual. On the manual, this is in different languages. Here you have the dust collection system. Seem fancy. You press, you open these two tabs to take out the dust collecting here, and you empty out. You can mix a glue mixture to fill holes and stuff like that. Simply press, push on, press the two tabs. Here you have the sanding machine, and at last you get some sandpaper. Couple from here you see 120 grit sandpaper. Very long cord. Cord looks like if it's around 6 foot. I estimate it is around 6 feet long. So I tested out this sander in the showroom and compared it with other sanders. It's low vibration. One, and it has a variable speed selector. One being the lowest, and if 6 being the highest. So the purpose of having a sander that is random orbital is that it spins orbically, and it also goes around in little circles as it spins, but in a random position. If I'm explaining it well, it spins and it still goes in little circles, eliminating scratches caused by, or swirls by, the orbital sanding method. So I will plug this in now to give you all guys how the sander sounds. So I'm turning on the machine now. As you can see, the orbital action of it is not that aggressive. But I think it's good enough to do the job that I need it to do. It's not that I'm polishing cars or anything, so it's just a couple of doors I want some dirt off. So this is the sandpaper. Put it over the holes. I'm going to put on the dust chute. It seems it only can go one way. There's a little groove in the dust chute, a little groove here. So it has a little seal on it as well, so much dust don't escape. And mostly it should be something you just pop on. It's a little stiff. I guess that's to keep the dust inside. I'm going to get a piece of wood. Yes, I'm going to show you all guys the price of the machine. You all can decide for yourself if this is a bargain or if it's a ripoff. You can purchase the machine from here or wherever you feel like. The prices should be around the same in this same category. Okay, this is a piece of an old countertop we had there. So this is 120 grit. So that is actually the protection of the clear coat off of the counter section. So you can see it actually does work. That's the residue. And if you look in the dust collection system, it's still little bits of dust in here already. And that's only from, say, 5 seconds of sanding. So guys, I hope that this was a good unboxing for y'all guys to let y'all get a good idea of how the sander operates. I don't think I show you the amount of speed. So that was at the higher speed. That's number 4. That's speed number 1. 6, 1. Right, see how stable it is? It actually controls its own self without drifting too far. It's a very low vibrational machine. It seems to be working as intended so far. So you'll see once I carry this in the workshop and I start using it for the polishing or sanding and stuff like that, you'll see how efficient it really is. This machine is 2.8 amps. So it isn't as powerful as using a dual action machine like the port cable, but it's good enough to get the job done. So guys, I hope that this unboxing and review help y'all guys out into purchasing the SKIL series. This is a very low cost machine. Hope that it lasts the test of time. So guys, if you like the review, if you like the channel, it'd be a help if you just like and subscribe. Write a comment below. This is Alex, Woodworking Dude, out.